वेलकम टू डाइस क्रांति,
जहां हम कुछ दोस्त मिलकर डंजन्स एंड ड्रैगन्स यानी D&D खेलते हैं।
हम में से एक इंसान होता है डंजन मास्टर यानी कि डीएम।
जिसके लिखे गए कहानी में बाकी सारे प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं।
ये DM इस गेम का स्टोरी टेलर है।
इस स्टोरी में होते हैं मॉन्स्टर्स, दुश्मन एंड अलग अलग टाइप के चैलेंजेस।
प्लेयर्स जो चाहे वो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हर एक्शन का आउटकम डिसाइड करेंगे ये डाइस।
डाइस पर अगर हाई नंबर आया तो सक्सेस, वरना फेलियर।
डीएम इस सिचुएशन में एक रेफरी या अंपायर के तरह होता है।
और स्टोरी के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए प्लेयर्स कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं डाइस क्रांति।
You have 10. We are going to go into a turn-based mode now. You have 10 turns, which means 10 turns means हर एक का एक turn होके ऐसा total 10 turns. To do whatever you want, but in this turn-based mode, all of your movement has been reduced to 5 feet because of the gooey substance, and you can do an action or whatever you want. Roll initiative for turn-based. And the same thing as combat applies. Instead of like an action, you can do dash and move 2 boxes instead of 1.
Okay.
Oh, bhai. Okay.
Omkar with a nat 1 still has more initiative than I do.
All right, Arjun, it is your turn. You can move 1 box and do any action if you want. If you have like a spell or anything that you think would help. Otherwise, to dash करके 2 boxes move कर सकता है, but then you can't do an action or anything. And you have 10 turns. So I would say, yeah, Arjun and Banke get 3 turns. The other 2 get 2 turns each.
I want to ask for 2 things. How does cunning action work here?
Oh yeah, so beautiful. So you can do double dash with your bonus action. With your cunning action, you can move another. So total of 3 boxes you can move.
So I would like to do that.
Okay. Where are you moving? Just move your token if you want.
तो अब क्या करना चाहिए? अब देखिए, आप एक सिगरेट रखा है और व्हाइट पाउडर है। व्हाइट पाउडर थोड़ा हमारे पार्टी के थीम से मिलता जुलता लगता है हमें कि हमारे पास एक व्हाइट पाउडर वाले अन्ना है। तो अन्ना, आप बताइए, आपको ये स्नॉट करना पड़ेगा कि हम स्नॉट करें? क्या है, किसी को तो स्नॉट करना पड़ेगा।
I'm like hearing this. I'm not paying any attention to it. I'm still like with my mage hand trying to move.
Concentration pe.
Yeah.
But yeah, Arjun, is that your turn?
I moved here and then I place something on just to see if it works.
So you can't because you used your action already to dash.
Okay, got it. ठीक है.
Banke, it's you now.
Next.
तो which stool had what, left to right?
So the first one, the left one had yellow key, the middle one had cigarette, and the right one had white powder.
Okay. So I move 1 block towards the center one, तो cigarette वाला stool.
हाँ.
And I ask the other guys कि आप लोगों को क्या लगता है, ये सिगरेट के साथ कुछ करके देखना चाहिए क्या? अभी मतलब ये तो प्रलय आ रही है हमारे ऊपर।
Let me try Chavi first. Then we will see. We have very little time.
How much can your mage
Okay.
hand move?
30 feet.
Oh, beautiful, nice situation.
So the mage hand is not encumbered by the
Goo,
right?
no.
Because-
No,
Yeah.
no, it's floating.
It's floating.
हाँ, बस इधर ही खड़ा रहता हूँ, हम इंतजार करते हैं भगवान की दुआ होगी तो हम बच जाएंगे। अब भैया अन्ना थोड़ा मंत्र जंतर को करिए।
Okay, so I think Banke, that's your turn. Then Omkar,
Yeah.
तू क्या कर रहा है?
I'll move towards this and I'll just look around. Like, I mean,
Omkar, you and Anna has only 2 turns to move before the ceiling collapses. Just saying.
nowhere to go, I guess. Anyways, I just generally ask, hey, what is there anything? क्या कर सकते हैं
I
अपन?
mean, I still tell them that this is not my signature powder, but it is cocaine only.
क्या करेगा इसका? अभी सुन भी नहीं सकते इसको।
अरे छुरी है ना भाई।
बरोबर। तो क्या अभी करूँ क्या नहीं करूँ?
रुको ना, ये इनको अन्ना को ट्राई करने तो अपना जो भी करने का है। चाबी तो हाथ में ले लिए।
ठीक है भाई, करो। अभी वैसे भी मरने वाले, कर लेता हूँ, क्या फर्क पड़ता है।
So ले लिया क्या तूने?
तो तू कर लिया क्या?
नहीं, नेक्स्ट टर्न में करूँगा।
So now it's my turn.
Anna, it's
Yes.
your turn. Yes.
So now I finally move my mage hand towards the lock and try to open it.
So as you move your mage hand towards the lock, the key goes in and it fits perfectly. What are you doing?
Open it.
As the mage hand rotates it, the padlock just opens and falls down, and the door is unlocked.
Okay, and can I with the mage hand थोड़ा धक्का दे सकता है क्या डोर को?
You know what? In this case, I will kind of allow it. ठीक है. So with your mage hand, you kind of push it,
open ऐसे?
but it's kind of a heavier door for the mage
Heavy
hand,
door.
so it opens up a little bit, but yeah, it's opening.
ऐसे देखो मैं door opened. Everyone run quick. That's what I say, and then I try to run. Here's what I want to do. Is Bankelal in front of me?
Oh, he
Yes.
is. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, then I tell Bankelal, pick me up, take me with you.
आइए चढ़ जाइए हमारे कंधे पे बैठिए आइए बहुत बड़ा कंधा है हमारे पास आइए बैठ जाइए बहुत ही बेहतरीन एक आइडिया आया है हमें
Idea, nothing. Just go straight to door now, okay? Serious matter now. Talking later.
No, but we won't make it.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll try.
Arjun, it's your turn now.
Okay, my turn. How far can I jump?
I'm just going to say that for this particular thing, we'll put it as a ruling that you can jump, like you can take an action and jump like 2 boxes. It's basically equivalent of a dash.
Okay, 3 boxes you said, right?
Yeah, you can with your bonus action and action.
Okay, ठीक है तो मैं आ गया इधर.
Okay. Is that your turn?
Yes.
Okay. And as Arjun
But before
moves,
but एक second but before I turn around, I'm like बानके भाई उसको तो उठा लिया, आपको ओमकार भाई का भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा because वो इतना दूर नहीं आ पाएंगे.
नहीं even I can't make it ना even with
You
two
still
double
have one more turn than they have, no?
हाँ but even with 2 double dashes I'm not making it to the door. Now
then.
my thought process here is either one of us
How do we always end up at this dude?
what will doing cocaine do for me?
roll a intelligence check.
Oh fuck me, that's not great for me. -1 है.
Oh damn.
चलेगा
Ooh.
20 has gone.
Okay, but looking at the cocaine and the cigarette, you do realize that ये दोनों item तेरे को कुछ ना कुछ तो speed में bonus देगा.
मेरे को एक आइडिया है पहला आइडिया मेरा ये है आई एम टॉकिंग टू द पार्टी देखिए हमारे पास एक आइडिया ये है कि सिगरेट जो है इसको जला के हम ये इस गू पे डाल दें क्या कुछ होगा क्या इससे आपको क्या लगता है इसको हम लोग जला सकते हैं कुछ कर सकते हैं सिगरेट का कुछ तो पॉइंट होगा ना यहाँ पे
We try. Let us try.
नहीं
Quick.
भाई
अगर आप
देख
में से
एक
एक
सेकंड
आदमी-
अगर चिंगारी से पूरे एरिया में आग लग गई तो दरवाजा तो दूर की बात है, हम कहीं नहीं पहुंच पाएंगे.
मैं क्या कहता हूँ देखिए हम तो ऐसे भी नहीं पहुंचने वाले
So I guess you have to fook it.
I mean,
Okay,
सिगरेट जला के
in
नहीं
6
गिराऊंगा मैं।
seconds you
मैं-
have to smoke the entire cigarette.
बैंकर भाई देखो
हाँ।
अगर नहीं पहुंच पाए तो वैसे ही मौत है, एक आखिरी दम लगा लो.
वही हम भी सोच रहे थे कि साला एक सुट्टा मार ही रहते साला बहुत दिन हो गया है एक देसी आखिर शॉट मारी है लिए बहुत दिन बाद लंबी
मैं खाली बोला था जलाओ मत खुद फूक लो.
हमें भाई कहीं तो गिराएंगे ना बट हम साला कहाँ लेके जाएंगे सरकारी कर्मचारी हैं कचरा तो
जे-
गिराएंगे so I light it up how do I light it up I mean okay I just assume that there is some way to light it up
I think you have a tinder box or like something like that, like a match
हाँ.
box you would say.
so I light up the cigarette take a very long drag एकदम ऐसा करके and I drop it onto the goo
As you drop
So,
it onto
yeah.
the goo, you just hear the very familiar hiss sound when like the cigarette kind of gets canned in water. It gets absorbed into the goo. Nothing particularly different happens. But you do feel energetic, like वो kick बैठा है तेरे को tobacco का, and you get a +5 feet on your movement.
so I can move 2 blocks now basically
2 with dash, and then the third one with the cigarette.
नहीं बट ये टर्न में ही इज ऑलरेडी
One
यूज्ड हिज
action and
एक्शन
action.
राइट.
one action now
So you can use move.
Yeah,
2
so
more
now
blocks
he
in
can
this
move 2, and then next
Okay.
is May 3.
So I'm carrying Anna on my shoulders. मैं क्या बोलता हूँ ओंकार भाई छुरी निकालो कोकेन मार लो चलते हैं देखा जाएगा जो होगा
turn. Has Arjun ever done cocaine before?
अर्जुन घर से कोकेन लेके आए हैं उनके पास ऑलरेडी देखिए कितनी पूर्ति है
So I अभी 2 हफ्ते पहले ही किए थे अभी क्या इसमें करते हो वापस होपफुली ऐसा कुछ तो भी हो मिलेगा मेरे को इसमें मे बी यहाँ पर भी कुछ तो भी मैजिक रहेगा क्या मालूम.
on the 2 हफ्ते वाला रिमार्क आई जस्ट वेरी क्वाइटली से टू अन्ना सिटिंग ऑन माय शोल्डर बोला ना सर नेपो बेबी
My customer. I have not said much.
I take a little bit ऐसे full knife से. And I snort some white heaven.
Okay, as you snort it in, within seconds you feel the powder rushing through your veins, and ऐसा full चुस्ती और energy एकदम full on तेरे अंदर तेरे को feel होती है. Your brain is working twice of its normal speed. You have a +10 to your movement, so you can move 2 extra blocks.
एनर्जी आ रहा है मेरे को और फिर मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आता है मैं इसको देखता हूँ क्या है इसका नाम बंकेलाल जी वो मूवी देखी थी तुमने गो गोवन देखी थी
अब देखी तो सी
याद है उसका एंडिंग लास्ट में वो लोग ऐसा zombies पे डालते हैं ना, वो ऐसा पाउडर डालते हैं,
हाँ
डाल दो एक ऊपर।
अगर आप डाल देंगे तो ज्यादा तेज हो जाएगा, डेंजरस हो सकता है हमारे लिए।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन मेरे को ऐसा थोड़ा लग रहा है कुछ तो कर सकता है मैं अभी। So how many can I go?
In this turn, 2 boxes. Yes, because you've used your action for cocaine.
हाँ, but cocaine से you said plus 10 movement.
Oh right, because right now you haven't taken your
हाँ.
movement, so yeah, it's
Yeah,
plus 10
exactly. He
already.
didn't
Yeah.
move yet.
So it's 1 plus
Yeah.
A, so 3.
अब आपके माल से बेटर लग रहा है ये मेरे को।
Okay,
Anna,
so
it's your turn.
it's my turn. How many total turns do we have left?
I would say one more now because of the cocaine, but Anna, you don't have any. Basically, Omkar has become the Flash, so like उसके लिए time थोड़ा ऐसा slow हो गया है, kind of a thing. He's moving very
And
fast.
you're sitting on top of my shoulder.
Yeah, you're just
Yeah.
सो गया है ना उसके कंधे पे।
थोड़ा old है ना, like old age में. I have a very wild idea. Okay, this might cause us to be hurt a little bit, but it's for greater good.
Do you want me to throw you?
No, you can't. Right? This is my turn. I have a spell called Thunder Wave,
Hmm.
and that can basically push creatures 10 feet.
But that's on a failed save, no?
So you can try to fail it, right?
yeah,
on
that's
purpose.
true. Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can
Yeah,
consciously
you
try.
take
to fail it.
damage, but you can try and fail it. If you fail, you move 10 feet.
Yes,
basically.
and also take damage. Just saying.
First of all, this is थोड़ा out of game. Cow, do you think हम normally पहुंच सकते हैं door तक? Yeah, we have to do some risky shit.
I have one turn left. One turn
Ah,
left.
so
Yes.
I don't think we'll be able to.
That
Where
one
are you
turn.
reaching with that one turn?
I'm reaching here,
Okay.
Yeah,
not
true.
reaching the door.
And if my thunder wave works, then we can like land here at least.
Then again, you wouldn't land. If you use it, the
Yeah.
guys in front of you would land there.
No, I can also get pushed, right? I can friendly
How
fire.
can you push
How?
yourself?
You are,
So
you
this
are
is-
doing it with you. You're
But this is
clapping.
not from
Abbe,
my point, right?
It is from your point. तेरे हाथ से निकलता है thunder wave.
Fuck. I'll have to sacrifice my movement. Can I jump from? No, there is no point. I have no fucking idea what to do. Any tips will be appreciated here.
You could maybe jump, let's say, 2 boxes, and then someone could carry you out when they are running past you because you are kind of small.
I mean, if you can hop onto my shoulder, I can reach the door in the next turn.
Yeah, I think that's what I'll do.
Hopping
And
shoulders.
yeah, I'll do that only. I'll jump into yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only Banke's.
Okay. Then yeah, I just switch who I'm on, and I think that's my turn.
Arjun, it's your turn now. What are you doing?
3 boxes to go here to the door.
Okay. So I would say you open up the door. Once you reach there, you are out of turn base, so you can open up the door if you
Yes. Push it completely wide. Open.
Okay, as you push it, you see that there is a passage in front of you, and then which like turns
Passage,
into a right turn.
ये मेरे सर पे है ना? आगे हो गया था तू भी?
Yes, you both are out of turn based for now, but we'll just still go through the turn based thing so that
Yeah,
we come up
yeah.
with the thing. Banke,
It's Banke, bhai.
Banke.
So, I can move 2 blocks plus 1, right?
Yes, you can move 3 blocks, and then I
Yes.
would say, as a bonus action, I would ask you to, if you want to jump, you can jump, but you'll have to do a athletics check.
So I will try and make a leap towards the door basically. These guys have
Yeah.
opened up the door, so I'm gonna try and leap ahead of it.
Yeah, do an athletics skill check.
This better land, man. Fuck me. I
Okay.
rolled an 8.
So it's okay, it's enough to get you at the door, but you jump and somehow you did not anticipate कि वो gooey thing कितना तेरे को पकड़ के रखेगा पीछे. So you just jump and तेरा right पैर का shoe एक तो निकल जाता है, but it also kind of affects your ankle, like थोड़ा twist हो जाता है ankle because of the pull. And as you're jumping, as you land on the same right leg and थोड़ा ऐसा twist हो जाता है, you fall and you take 1 damage. You like kind of bounce around on the walls and ऐसा like खड़े होने को थोड़ा issue हो रहा है, but yeah, you make it. That's your turn. You are also out of turn base now. Omkar, your cocaine filled final turn. What are you doing?
I'm like sprinting to the door, full energy के साथ. But in reality, I'm slowly
In
walking.
reality, he's just jogging, but इसके लिए he's like full flash.
1, 2, out.
All right. Yeah, you guys are in this passage now, and as Omkar just manages walks in, you just hear right behind you the ceiling just has crushed down, and again now after a few seconds it's again going back up. धीरे 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 धीरे. And then you hear the same voice just kind of echo through the place again. ये तो काफी आसान था, लेकिन आगे देखते हैं कहाँ तक पहुँचते हो.
भाई देखो, एक तो चीज समझ में आ गई, जो नशे दिखे कर लो, मैं बताता हूँ फटाफट.
भाई नशे करके तो पहुंचे इधर, ये मेरे को तो नहीं लग रहा है सही जगह, ये नशे का ही सब चक्कर है, तो मैं तो मतलब नहीं कर रहा, तुम लोग को जितने करने कर लो.
What days have come? My product now I have to sit and eat and everything. But
सर आपको सर, यू नॉट सपोज टू ईट योर प्रोडक्ट सर.
अरे अन्ना
don't want
कंधे
to.
से उतर जाओ भाई प्लीज, अभी दर्द हो रहा
Yes,
है
yes.
इधर,
Sorry for shoulder pain.
So we take a turn, like we walk further ahead and see.
Yes.
All of you guys roll perception. You also see that there is a passage that again
I
leads
rolled a
into
17.
a room. Oh boy. Banke, only you realized that when you guys walked in, तुम लोग जब भी चल के आए, एक हल्का सा क्लिकिंग साउंड सुनाई दिया था तुम्हें, बट सिर्फ तुझे सुनाई दिया था.
Okay. Did I hear it on the walls or on the floor or
On the
ahead?
floor. And as you guys are walking ahead, तुम लोग इतना आगे आने के बाद you hear a rumbling sound पीछे से, और एक बहुत बड़ा सा पत्थर is coming and rolling towards you guys. You guys have just one action or turn to decide what you have until it actually crushes you or pushes you wherever it takes you. It is coming from here, yes.
But here you don't have anything slowing us down, right? So we can
Nothing,
just use
no.
our movement.
Yeah.
So we can just go right.
we run and just instantly turn right and left towards the walls.
Okay. As you turn right and left, you just feel the stone come and like kind of bang against this entrance of ये room. एकदम जोर से, इतना कि like तुम लोग को feel होता है the vibrations through the wall since you are like up against the wall, and it has now blocked
back.
your way towards that passage. And then you hear, अरे यार, अब फिर से इस पत्थर को पीछे लेके जाके लॉक करवाना पड़ेगा.
गलती से निकल गया क्या भैया?
नहीं, गलती से तुम निकल गए, तुम मरना चाहिए थे तुम, बट ठीक है.
Bloody rascal, man! This.
In this room, यहाँ पर you see that there is a door over here which is completely locked. It doesn't have a lock or a latch on it, but उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसे blocks है and उसके ऊपर कुछ ऐसे inscriptions जैसा कुछ तो दिख रहा है. In the center or like off center of the room एक table है जिसके ऊपर 4 cups है, and यहाँ पर नीचे की तरफ एक room open up हो रहा है.
And that's it for this episode. If you like D&D, then make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss the next upload.